Hi beautiful people, in this video I will be showing you how to make this very simple turmeric body wash that will help to brighten the skin and also improve dull skin. So let's go. The first ingredient we have here is liquid Castile soap, which will be the surfactant. It's going to be the foaming and cleansing agent. Liquid Castile soap will help soap lather. It will help the soap cleanse the skin as well. I have my mixing bowl here and I'll be using this to combine all the ingredients together. So I'm going to start by adding my Castile soap into the mixing bowl. You can either make your Castile soap by yourself at home or buy some. Also, be sure to use a pure and unscented Castile soap. It just makes your soap better. The full recipe with all the ingredients will be in the description box. The next ingredient we'll be using is vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is an humectant. It helps to draw in and lock in moisture into the skin. Vegetable glycerin also will help to keep the skin hydrated at all times. So now we're going to add the vegetable glycerin into the liquid Castile soap. If you don't have vegetable glycerin, you can also replace it with honey, raw honey. Honey will also do a great job. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix so as to combine the vegetable glycerin and liquid Castile soap together. After mixing and combining them together, we can go ahead and add the other ingredients. Of course, since we're making a turmeric body wash, we'll have to add turmeric into it. So I have my turmeric powder here and we're going to be adding this into the soap. The turmeric will help to brighten the skin and also improve dull skin. I'll also be using sweet almond oil. You can also use any other carrier oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, olive oil, any other carrier oil. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the turmeric powder into the oil and then mix together. I'm combining these two together before adding it into the whole body wash so that the turmeric powder will not form clumps inside the body wash. Now once the turmeric powder and the almond oil is completely combined, we're going to add it into our body wash. If you're learning from this video, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Now we're going to mix the combined together, and as you mix you will notice that the body wash will begin to have this yellow, bright and beautiful color, and that's because of the turmeric in it. But also note that the color depends on the grade of turmeric powder you use and where you get your turmeric powder from. So if yours doesn't look like this, don't worry, it's just because it's a different grade. Now once everything is completely combined, we're going to go ahead and add the last set of ingredients. Next, I have here my essential oil. I am using lavender essential oil. You can use any other essential oil. This is just to give our body wash a nice scent, so I'll just be adding in a few drops. And you can also choose to skip this, especially if you have sensitive skin or essential oils give you a bad reaction. Next, I'll be adding in my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant. It will help to keep the oil we put in the body wash from going rancid. And next I'll be adding in a preservative. I am using Jamal Plus preservative, and this is not optional. You have to add it to keep the body wash from going bad. And now once again we're going to mix to combine all the ingredients together. We want to give this a very good mix so that everything is well and carefully combined. And now I'm going to transfer the body wash into my pump bottle. If you want this to be a little thicker, you can add a gum like xanthan gum or guar gum. It will help to thicken it up, but this is perfect for me. Now this body wash will help to brighten the skin, help to improve dull skin. It will help to give the skin an even tone. So if you have hyperpigmentation, this will also help. This body wash also lathers so well, and remember to shake each time you need to use it. If you found this video helpful and you'll be recreating this body wash and you also like to see more content like this, please make sure you like this video, give it a very huge thumbs up. Also, drop a comment, ask your questions regarding this body wash or any other general skincare questions. Also remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, be sure to catch up on all my other videos. Trust me, there's a lot for you to learn. Bye, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.